Hi, SaveWithCrypto here. Okay, so I'm making this video for the Quadzilla TA section of our Discord. I'm also probably going to publish this on YouTube as well. So if you're seeing this on YouTube and you're not in the Discord, go to savewithcrypto.org/Discord and you can get into the Discord and see stuff like this. Normally it's like Maff who does, really, really good TA. But I'm just going to fill in a little bit today, just because we're a little bit short of time. And rather than me writing some stuff, I thought I'd just make a video because that's what I do. Now, Bitcoin has been behaving absolutely beautifully. So we got this retracement line here on Quadzilla. This was actually one of the newer, faster retracement lines. So this one is kind of created by the 9 and 21 EMA rather than the ones we had before, which we still have, of course, like these ones here, for example, which were created by the 21 and 55 EMA. So the differences with these faster ones is they're not quite as reliable, but they're really not bad. And you can see here that this behaved beautifully. So, Saturday we were at 121,900 and the price just went up and then it came down a little bit and then it went up again. We got an all-time high on Monday, which was awesome at like 126.2k. A phenomenal level, isn't it? But all the time, this level was down here, and we knew with a great deal of certainty that the price would come back down here. And sure enough, yesterday it did sort of plummet down here and did reach that target. Now, typically what does happen with Quadzilla is the price will come below, and then if it's a green bullish one, it will come back up and then start to go back up. And it will normally go higher than what it did before. So I think we could be looking at a new all-time high towards the end of this week, possibly even today, but we'll see what happens. And also what I want to see is these yellow and green EMAs, them crossing over bullish again, because at the moment they're not. We need the yellow to be above the green. Okay, so what else can we see? Well, if you want to look on the bearish side of things, which could happen, let's just zoom out a little bit, put on the VRVP just to get an idea of where all the liquidity is. And you can see here there is rather a big gap kind of here and another one here, So if we do lose, say, this level here, which oddly enough was the green retracement level, if we do lose that level there, then we could easily come back down to here. And look, that will coincide with this bearish retracement here, a bullish retracement there and a bullish retracement there, which goes back down to 109k. Although you can see here that there's a lot of activity here at 1112942. So if we did come down a lot, I would say that this level here at kind of like 113.6 is more likely for a bounce zone. But for now, we're about 2 hours away from New York Open, so I'm going to be keeping my eye on this red EMA, which is a 5 EMA, and if that goes above that green, I will become rather bullish again. You can also see here that we've now got this shading here between the 9 EMA and the 21 EMA, so that's starting to look bullish as well. To me, it's just looking bullish. So as far as upwards levels go, who knows? We're going to be in blue sky territory, so it could be anything, 130, 160, nobody knows. You can do Fibonacci extensions, all that kind of thing, but really, nobody knows. So let's take a quick look at Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, a little bit different. It looks like we're going to struggle when we get up to 4,600. So I suspect we'll probably go up there, I don't know, maybe make a little double bottom, go back up. But there is also these levels down here that we might retrace to at some point. And these are quite low. They're like 4,030 and like 3,945. So, a dip below 4K, very possible. But I think we'll probably get up to 4,600 first. That's what I think anyway. Let me know in the comments if you think otherwise. Anyway, the point is, this afternoon, me and Maff are going to be discussing all this kind of thing on a live stream at 4:30 p.m. UK time, which is 3:30 p.m. UTC. So we'd love to see you over there. So yeah, please do check it out. So we'll leave it there for the moment. Hopefully see you this afternoon. But please do remember to give the video a great big fat like. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you get the notifications set to all. Do go and get Quadzilla from savewithcrypto.org/QZ. Join the Discord, savewithcrypto.org/Discord. All the links are in the description down below. And above all, tell your friends.